to Simply Chumma. Today we are here to take a look at how big a fan of cricket you are. We're going to ask you some cricket terms and give you time to think. Please do not cheat. Of course, there is no way for us to find out if you do cheat, but you will know, right? So just compile your marks and let us know in the comment section below. Don't worry too much about it though. If you get more than 10 out of 15 questions, you are a crick quiz. But if you are not one, don't worry. We are here to enlighten you and educate and entertain you. So without any further ado, let's get started with Simply Chumma's Know Your Cricket Quiz Part 1. Number 1, King Pair. Your timer starts now. King Pair. Yes, you are right. It's our first ball for 0 in both innings. We started up with a really easy-doozy one. Now here comes the next question. Number 2, Minefield. You would have heard commentators calling out that it is a minefield out there. What do you think they mean? Come on guys, the clock is ticking. Well, a minefield is a difficult batting track. The pitch is in such a state of disrepair that it is almost impossible to play proper shots as the ball pops up everywhere. Number 3. What do you think the word Nelson means? Your timer starts now. Nelson refers to the English superstition that 111 and its multiples are unlucky. The sticks resemble 111 and is loosely connected with Lord Nelson's physical attributes. A double Nelson is 222. Let's get on with the 4th question. What is an agricultural shot? Your time starts now. An agricultural shot is a powerful slog shot across the line, played with little technique or footwork, particularly one that damages the pitch with the bat. This may result in the ball going to the cow corner. Number 5, Anchor. An anchor is a batsman who remains in for a long time, scoring at a moderate strike rate whilst preserving his wicket by avoiding risky shots. Number 6. Who do you think is a badger? Time's up. A badger is a particularly enthusiastic cricketer, someone with an extreme love of the game. Number 7, Trundler. Well, a trundler is a reliable, steady, medium-paced bowler who is not especially good, but is not especially bad either. Number 8, what is waft? Waft is a loose, non-committal shot usually played to a ball pitched short of length and well wide off the off stump. Now for the 9th question. What do you think the word yips means? Yips are occasionally experienced by bowlers suffering from a loss of confidence, a psychological condition whereby the bowler is unable to sufficiently relax when delivering the ball, often holding the ball too long before release, losing flight, turn and accuracy in the process. Bowlers have been known to suffer from the yips for as little as a few overs, up to the course of an entire session or more. Number 10. What is boot hill? Boot hill is another term for short leg, the least liked and most dangerous of the fielding positions. The term is derived from its potential for getting hit by the ball, being a reference to the boot hills of the American West, graveyards for those who died with their boots on. Number 11. Do you know what a jock strap is? So we're talking about underwear for male cricketers that is designed to securely hold a cricket box in place when batting or wicket keeping. If you have followed Simply Chuma, I'm sure you will know this one. Number 12, grubber. Grubber is nothing but a delivery that barely bounces. Now for number 13. What is nurdle? Come on guys, the clock is ticking. Nurdle basically means to score runs, usually in singles by using low-risk shots to gently nudge the ball into vacant areas of the field. Number 14. What do you think Humpty is? Come on guys. Humpty means to bat aggressively and unusually quickly. As per Ian Botham batting with Graham Dilley in 1981, you don't intend to hang around on this wicket for a day and a half. Come on, let's give it some Humpty. The last and final question of today's quiz. At number 15, what is nibble? Time's up, guys. Nibble is a small amount of movement by the ball off the seam. So how did you fare? We are really curious to know your score. So please do compile your score and let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this quiz and want more of them, also leave a message in the comment section and do share this with your friends and family. Tell them to post their scores too so that you can see whether you are a bigger cricket whiz than them. If you liked our new series, press the like button, the share button, and subscribe to Simply Chuma for more amazing and interesting videos on sports.